Dad, how much weight did you lose eating from the diet change in the past year?
No, I lost 45 pounds. The thing it is, we watched What the Health, and we were all eating meat, even him. So, but when I had my pacemaker of 10%, the change in diet went up to 45%. So there's a big change in that. So I had open heart surgery when I was a kid, when I was sick. Of course, I was born in California. But the healthy eating makes a big difference. I'm 2 years, I'll be 60 years old, so, you know, you age different when you change your diet. About 2 years ago, I was looking like I was almost 65. So, you know, my face was puffy and all that. So changing your diet makes a big difference, especially when you're younger. But the social aspect, so there is a big difference in how you look at health and how we look at gratification of what we want to do. Because you get together with your family and they got the gumbo or they got the shrimp or whatever, you know, like doctor don't want me to eat shrimp, doesn't want me to eat crawfish, no catfish, no flounder. All that stuff is it's hard to do, okay? But it all bottom people is it'll put you in the early grade. And along with the cancer and everything else, you have a whole lot of other problems as you get older, especially men. You get older, there's some things you just need to stay away from.
Thank you for sharing that, and I think it's equally important not just to hear people's stories, but the fact that you have support, right? So and I think it's our duty to support the people around us and to share the things that we know and that we've experienced ourselves.